Bada boom, realest guy in a room. How you doing? I'm Mr. Perfect. If you don't have a sense of humor, oh well, I can't help you with that. But if you would like to know how to hide or unhide your video dislikes, I'm here to help you with that. You're very welcome. It's real simple. Here's my channel. Not that I'm promoting myself. Cough, cough. But pick a video that you want to hide the likes or dislike, actually the likes and dislikes, or unhide the likes and dislikes, because there's nothing like uploading a video and you see a ton of dislikes. There's nothing like. See, here's what you do: you go onto your main channel page, you pick the video. I'm picking this video, a video about my mom. Yeah, I uploaded it yesterday. I'm going to pause it. Now, you see, a video about your mother making jokes, having a good time, is guaranteed to gain 10 dislikes. Especially when you never get dislikes until a certain band of trolls come along. So, in order to reduce the number of trolls without having to resort to violence or anything that will result in your incarceration, here's what you do. Instead of looking every day and saying, damn, 10 people disliked my mom. That's how evil people can be. That's how evil trolls can be. You want to hide your dislikes, they're still going to be there, but at least you don't have to look at them. But keep in mind, dislikes are still views. So always thank your trolls for their views. But if you just don't want to stare at the dislikes, here's all you do. This is the video I want to hide my dislikes on. You see this little pencil thing here? Info and settings? Click on that. Bada boom. Takes you to this page. Now, advanced settings. Click on that little bugger right there. Now, scroll down. Users can view ratings for this video, aka likes and dislikes. It's checked because people can view my likes and dislikes. I want to hide my likes and dislikes, so I uncheck the box, and now, voila, no one can see my likes and dislikes. It's as simple as that. Wait just a second, there's more. You have to go down here and save your changes. Otherwise, changes will not be saved. Bada boom, changes are saved. Now, let's go back to my channel, make sure it works. And I know it will because there was a dress rehearsal just moments ago. Here we go. Here's the video of my mom. And what do you see? You see, voila. You see no numbers. So I don't know how many views, how many likes or how many dislikes I had. You can always, if you want to unhide your likes and dislikes, you just do the same thing. Click the thing there and go to the page and you check the box. So it's just a matter of checking or unchecking the box. The dislikes and the likes are still there, but if you just don't want to look at it and you just don't want to look and say, wow, that many people are trolling me and my mother, and I just want to rip their throats out, but you can't do that because we have laws in this country and many countries against that kind of, mutilation. So if you don't want to see likes, dislikes on your video, that's how you disable it. And I just want to take this. You can, those of you who just want this information, you can click away. I'm just going to now give a final monologue thanking my trolls because it did hurt my feelings when I see a video about my mother getting, what was it, 10 or 12 dislikes. By the way, it was only two people, or maybe one. There are people with no lives who create multiple dozens, hundreds of fake accounts just so they control other people's videos and give them massive dislikes because they're jealous and they can't create and they can't do anything worthwhile, so they just hate on people with, well, how many views do I have? How many subscribers I have? 814, something like that. Yeah, jealousy. Jealousy sucks. So I heard. I don't know. I'm not jealous of anyone. I congratulate people with more success than I am. But trolls are jealous and they like to sabotage. So if you don't want to look at the sabotaging of the trolls, you hide your likes and your dislikes. And you can always go and click on Video Manager on your dashboard and you can see, like, for instance, well, yeah, okay, what the hell? Yeah, Creator Studio. You click Creator Studio and you could still see 30 likes, 10 dislikes. It always shows. So even though it doesn't show in a video itself, it'll show. You click on Creator Studio. There's dislikes, but because of the trolls, the lovely and talented trolls who deserve to live happy, prosperous lives, because of them making me sad, I decided I'm going to hide my likes and dislikes, but I did not know how, so I had to Google, I had to YouTube tutorials on how to do it. I learned how to do it, and then I thought to myself, self, why don't you do a tutorial on this, showing other people who are victims of bullying and harassment and trolling, show other people how to hide their dislikes. So this way, I am going to get a hit video, get multiple views, get paid, gain more subscribers, and guess what, trolls? You just backfired in your face. So it's because of the trolls that I just made yet another hit video. That's what you call becoming and being the realest guy in the room. So, trolls, thank you for inspiring this soon to be hit video. Sit back, relax, and chill and just watch in envy as I skyrocket while you all plunge, crash, and burn, right here in the fires of hell where y'all belong. Because you're not controlling me, I'm controlling you. Y'all a bunch of puppets. Real guy in the room. How you doing?
What you gonna do with all that junk inside?